Hey there, Heather Freeman here with the Painted Playground. And I'm talking about art. And I am talking about art that happens when you dare to be you. So, welcome. Thanks for taking time today to join me. And I just wanted to take you along my painting journey today and share a little bit about what I'm painting. So, I am going to move you down and so you can get a better view of what I am painting. There we go. Let's see if we got everything in there. Perfect. And when you join on, let me know where you're watching from. Would love to hear where you're tuning in from today. So art is what happens when you dare to be who you really are. And I am telling you, when you are connected with who you are, it is magical. You feel it inside. It's this electrifying feeling. Got some of my favorite paints up this morning. Yeah, when you're truly connected, just feels great. And it shows up. It shows up on the canvas. It shows up with whatever you're painting. The canvas becomes a reflection of you. Yes, sometimes what shows up on the canvas might not be so pretty. Hey from Connecticut. Hey, Nancy. Yeah, sometimes it's messy. It's not always pretty or perfect or even what we expected it to be. But neither are we, right? Like, we're not perfect. We are sometimes messy and ugly, and that's the whole package, right? So when you're more yourself and you connect with that, hey, from Mitchell, Ontario, welcome, Kathy. Thanks for joining me. So yes, it'll show up on the canvas. And that's the beauty of it. You get to be all of yourself. You get to decide at the end of the day who sees the canvas and who doesn't. So you can keep all of that beautifulness to yourself or not. But the point is, your canvas, that can be your private space, your safe space to just really be all of yourself. Bring your whole game, right? I think so often in our culture we feel like we've got to be a certain way, act a certain way, say things. Sometimes we worry about how we're going to say it and what we're going to say. But when it's you and the canvas and you're being your authentic self, you get to say what you want to say. And nobody's allowed to have any say in that besides you. So I am just, let's see, I want to get some of this beautiful blue on here. Hanging out in the process today. Started this sweet girl. Show you. Working on giving her some wings. She's gonna snuggle up with a little heart. Need some more blue. So it's all of you that is beautiful that you get to share on the canvas. That's what happens when you're connected with who you really are. And the canvas becomes a reflection of you. Let's get in here. You get to say, you get to be in control of what shows up on the canvas and what you want to share. Let's see here. Gonna define her wings a little bit. Coming along, I think I need to give that heart some paint, some color. So mix a little bit of pink here. So, and then when you are sharing yourself, being true to yourself, being authentic, it shows up on the canvas. You get the real you. And then people, if you decide to share that, can connect with the authentic you. It's one of the human's basic desires, is wanting to connect with others. And we can truly connect. People want to connect with our authentic selves. People know when we're not being true to ourselves. People can sense that. Shows up in our painting. Shows up in the paint strokes and what we paint, the colors we choose. When you're being true to yourself and true to your authentic self, that gets communicated through the canvas. All right, she's got a sweet little heart now. She's coming along. So, art is what happens when you dare to be who you really are. And let's give her some little eyes here. Some eyelids. Just to help me start out here. Work in progress. We're going to keep working. Art is what happens when you dare to be who you really are. So I am going to challenge you today to be who you are and share it on the canvas. All right. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time at the canvas. I'm going to keep working on this sweet thing, and we'll see you next time. All right. Bye for now.